मन अच्छी लास्ट क्लास कौन पढ़ुलु केमिस्ट्री
Ma'am, periodic classification of elements.
okay fine so we'll just revise it once again and we'll go further again. I have mcqs, only 5 mcqs, and I want everyone to score 5 on 5 on this particular chapter we'll be doing at last. Okay, be attentive in your class, be attentive when you see the videos. You can surely score good marks in this particular chapter. Okay, so before starting the class, thought for the day is the true measure of success is how many times you can bounce back from failures. Okay, uh, जिते भी टाइम रे तमे टेस्ट दोच ई टेस्ट हो जहाँ भी हो डोंट गिव अप जदि कम मार्क आसची फाइन there is always a second chance and there is always you can bounce back and you can score good marks. The thing which you have to do is only try and give your 100%. Is that clear? Okay, and I want my class to be interactive as we revise the chapter which we have studied. Everyone should participate. Okay, so what we have discussed last class was what were the earlier attempts जो classification of elements को classify करथिले सब scientist माने आसिले and first scientist who was the first one कि तांका mind रे आसिला click कला कि मु मु elements मानू कौन करबी से मानकर tried. Yeah, so the first scientist he was Dovreneur. Okay, now what he did, who can say?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Subham.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, I'm saying, ma'am, Dobreiner arranged the elements in three in ascending order, such that the atomic mass of there is in a increasing order, and the average of first and the last is equal to the atomic mass of the second or the middle element. And he only arranged 9 elements in a row, which is known as 3 triads only he arranged, so it was not accepted.
Okay, very good, Subham. He gave the rough image. So what we discussed that he was the one जहाँ को माइंड रे आसला कि किछि गोटे अछि गोटे कॉमन अछि जो एलिमेंट जते पन डिस्कवर हेछि किछि गोटे कॉमन अछि एमानक भितरे. Okay, then he started what he started, he identified some groups एलिमेंट्स को तीन तीन टा ग्रुप करके गोटे ग्रुप रे पकेले जेतु 3 एलिमेंट्स ता ना कोन थिला ट्रायड्स. Okay, and he showed कि this triad they were arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses. Now the atomic mass of the middle one, तीन जन अछंती, the atomic mass of the middle element was roughly equal to the average of the first and the last element. आमे last class average बाहर करथला तम माने ना कि?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, so like this actually he didn't arrange in this table but to show you. Okay, suppose lithium gote group रे suppose रहले lithium sodium potassium हाँ तो सेमानकर the middle one atomic mass is nearly equal, not equal to totally but nearly equal to the atomic average of the atomic mass of the first and the last element. Okay, now what was the drawback? कहीं कि सक्सेस हलानी कहीं कि एक्सेप्ट हलानी कौन पे एक्सेप्ट हलानी कि से माने ता पर कथा भाबी नथिले. He never thought of the elements which are yet to be discovered. Okay, so he was only successful in grouping 9 elements. Subham कहले 3 tiers. He was only successful in making 3 triads. Okay, and this classification was not approval or not approved or not useful for classifying many other elements which were not able आउ ता आगु को कि ट्रायड फॉर्म करले ही नहीं तीनटा ग्रुप आउ किए फॉर्म करि पारलेनी सेथि पाइनका एटा फेलियर हे गला but he was the first one to got this idea or to identify of grouping or classifying the elements मु जेमति कहथि तुमको पॉइंट वाइज देले मन रहिबो ना गोटे पैराग्राफ देले मन रहिबो तुम माने कहथले मैम पॉइंट वाइज एलिमेंट्स एते सारा एलिमेंट्स को हमें तांको प्रॉपर्टीज अनुसार केमति मन रखिबा ऑब्वियसली इफ वी विल ग्रुप देम इट वाज द फर्स्ट आइडिया ऑफ दिस साइंटिस्ट नेक्स्ट वन जे कि म्यूजिक रो प्रेमी थिले isn't it मन पड़ची
Yes, ma'am.
yeah so he was Newland what he did he again से नहीं कि फर्स्ट जब साइंटिस्ट फेल हे गला से कहले तांको किछि गोटे आइडिया नहीं कि what he did he arranged the elements in the increasing of their atomic mass and what he observed that every element 8 element is similar to the first one like the notes of the musical notation or musical vowels जो notation जेमति कि इंडियन रा सा रे गा मा पा धा नी again sa
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes
Ma'am, will the second one will be means equal to the 9th one,
yes obviously
third one, 10th one, like that?
yeah it is periodic okay
Ma'am, then how much it will go?
Up
Till
to
how much
calcium.
number it will go?
up to
To
will end
calcium.
Calcium up to
where-
calcium.
na we'll see na remember up to calcium it will go but after that it will fail
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
remember so এটা তো ইন্ডিয়ান তার মানে কোন কি নিউল্যান্ড কোন ইন্ডিয়ান সারেগামা পাধানি সাথে নো just to give you a picture or just to মানে সেমানকু কমন ম্যান যেমতি বুঝি পারিবে সেমিতি সে কোন কলে আকু এমতি पोजीशन रे ए सब जते सब एलिमेंट्स ले ताकू से अरेंज कले ओके so likewise he made this he did not make this table but एमिति से अरेंज कले तो एठू किए कहिबो कि से ए न्यूलैंड was also not successful why
Ma'am, because he assumed that there are only 56 elements exist in nature, but in future many elements are discovered. So in order to fit them, he put the 2 elements in one slot.
okay anyone else
Ma'am, he didn't left spaces for other elements which will be discovered in the future. So he thought that those were the elements present and there will be no further discovery in the future.
okay in the time of Newland noble gases were discovered or not
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
it was not discovered okay so the first drawback was the first and most important drawback of Newland law of octave माने 8 okay because 1 2 whiles 8 notation use होता है आना octave law of octaves दियाला तो what was that most important drawback এটা तो follow हे गला but up to which element up to calcium after calcium it did not the every 8 element से नहीं कि कौन कला resemble कलानी the properties सहित same हेलानी calcium जाइके पर्यंत ही सेटा कौन कला similar हेला and at that time as Ishana said he assumed कि 56 elements ही exist करिवे nature रे ता परे आउ के element की discover हबोनी कि element माने exist करे ही नहीं it was according to Newland and he assumed that which was not true okay which was not true therefore what he did not assume or he did not thought of the future elements or the elements which are yet to be discovered तांको जागा कोन से माने कोठी रहिबे तांको पाइका किछि से भाबी नथिले ओके आउ गोटे कोन कले जस्ट टू फिट कोटे एलिमेंट्स को आनी कि फिट केमती कर देबी मु ताकू से एडजस्ट करबा स्टार्ट कले इन द सेम स्लॉट गोटे स्लॉट रे दीटा एलिमेंट रखी देले गुड एग्जांपल देखथली लास्ट रे कि दी जनकर दीटा एलिमेंट गोटे स्लॉट रे रहला बट विल देयर प्रॉपर्टीज विल द टोटली विल बी सेम नो इट विल नॉट बी सेम এটা ତାଙ୍କର ଡ୍ରବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଥିଲା। ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଦେଖେଇଥିଲି କୋବାଲ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ନିକଲ। ଓକେ, ସେମାନେ କୋଉଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖ ଏଠି, cobalt and nickel, they are placed with
First,
chlorine, bromine, isn't it? Same slot. Which is
Yes.
they have very different qualities, they have very different properties. ସେମାନଙ୍କର fluorine, chlorine, bromine ସହିତ କିଛି ବି properties match କରୁନି, but they are placed in the same group, which is ତାଙ୍କ ଅନୁସାରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ କହିଥିଲେ it is against his own law. Okay, but iron, it resembled with cobalt and nickel, but it was placed far away. Iron kon cobalt and nickel packet ଅଛି, ये iron ता इठी 7 position रे हेला बळकु cobalt and nickel first रे अछि। Understood?
Yes.
So these were the drawbacks of Newland. So निजे जो law कहले, निजे जो law बनेले, केतेटा point he himself violated, and therefore this law was also failed. Clear? तापर आमे पढिथिलु टिके स्टार्ट करथिलु मेंडलीव। मेंडलीव रो मन अछि तार कोन मेंडलीव कहिथिले, he was the first one to arrange the elements in tabular form. Table रे he was the first one to arrange. आउ कार कोन मन अछि मेंडलीव? आमे just
Ma'am,
introduction, yes.
he also discovered the atomic mass relation between their atomic mass in their physical and chemical property.
Okay. Before going to Mendeleev, we'll see a video. First time the video will not play. Then after that we'll go to the theory part. Okay. Santanu, be ready to say your favorite verse, favorite sentence.
Ma'am, video is not clear.
Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev played quite a legendary role in the field of chemistry. He not only gave us the simplest and the most efficient method of grouping elements, but also laid the foundations of periodic classification of elements that we use today. So in this video, let's dedicate some time to understand what and how Mendeleev actually worked on. When Mendeleev began his work of grouping the elements and arranging them, there were almost 63 elements known to him. He was firm on the thought of arranging the elements with respect to their physical as well as chemical properties. He knew that for understanding the chemical properties, he would need to make them react with one or two standard elements. For this, he chose hydrogen and oxygen. But why? Mendeleev thought of making the elements react with hydrogen and oxygen because of the following reasons. They are very reactive, they are found readily, and they form compounds with most of the elements. Yes, this helped him understand the chemical properties of all the reacting elements. Later, in order to simplify the process, he wrote all the physical and chemical properties of each element on 63 different cards. Now, all he had to do is arrange these cards. But that wasn't so simple. So he started arranging the cards in the increasing order of their atomic masses. When he was done pasting all these cards on his wall, he had two astonishing observations. One was that there were a few empty spaces left in the complete table that he formed. These positions belonged to the elements that were not yet discovered. But Mendeleev had a firm belief that the missing elements did exist and are yet to be discovered. Not only this, but he was so confident about the characteristics of these elements that he predicted their properties well in advance. Later on, when the elements were discovered, it was found that the properties predicted by Mendeleev were almost a perfect match. Second observation that Mendeleev had was the recurrence of the physical and the chemical properties of these elements. When arranged in a systematic manner, it was found that the physical and the chemical properties of elements recurred at a particular interval of frequency. With this, Mendeleev came up with a law. He named it as the periodic law. The law stated that properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. Now, what do we exactly mean by this? Let's simplify this by breaking the statement in parts. Properties of elements means the physical and the chemical properties of all the elements in the table. Are the periodic functions means those which occur at regular intervals. And lastly, of their atomic masses means when arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. So can we simply say that when elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, they show similarities in the physical and chemical properties at regular intervals? Yes, that's what Mendeleev meant. This is how Mendeleev laid the foundations for the modern periodic table. But did this great contribution by Mendeleev have no limitations at all? Well, there were a few that emerged with time. Let's discuss the achievements and the limitations.
So, कौन बुझिलो मेंडलीव रो?
Ma'am, he arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Means if there will be in future any elements will be discovered, they will be arranged in their atomic masses and increasing atomic masses and their similar properties.
Okay. So first, Mendeleev, what was his law? He said, according to his law, that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Okay, and based upon this, he created a table which was known as Mendeleev periodic table. Now in Mendeleev periodic table, all the elements, they were arranged according to the increasing order of the atomic weight. Okay, atomic mass, atomic weight, ekka jinsa, confuse habani. Then 63 elements were known at that time and noble gases were not discovered at that time. He was the first scientist to classify the element in a systematic manner. Rows out column. Rows ko kaun ko horizontal rows ko they were called as periods. And how many periods were there in Mendeleev's periodic table? 7
periods.
Okay. And vertical columns, they were known as groups. And how many groups are there?
9.
Monochi quietly 8 plus 1. Okay, the last one was known as 0th group. Sira kaun thila?
Column for noble gases.
Yeah, the column for noble gases. Now he was the first scientist. Okay, he was the first scientist. Se tanko mind re click kala ki emiti nuho. Okay, emiti hei pariboni ki sabu jaka elements react karibe. There must be some elements or maybe some elements which are not reactive at all. Why we are not able to predict them, or why we are not ame taku kahinki khoji ki pai parnu? Because they are not at all reactive. ସେମାନେ reactive ही होउनांती, ସେମାନେ हुए तो atmosphere रे बहुत कम percentage रे थाई पारंती. से सेथि पई का से कहले मु गोटे ग्रुप एमिति छाडी देबी जोटा कि जदी एमिति किछि थिबो elements which is unreactive, सेटा ए ग्रुप रे आसी जिवो. And he was very correct. His prediction was really correct. काहेकि परे सेही जागा रे को माने आसले noble gases आसले, inert gases आसले. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what he did, he divided এটা দেখো. Okay. Periods. 86 লেখাইছি, 7 টা কাইকি লেখাইনি কাইকি 7 টা ইনকমপ্লিট থিলা. ইনকমপ্লিট রখিଥିଲେ মানে সে নাই কি ভাবিଥିଲେ कि से छाड़ी थिले कि आगु को जो गराक आसीबो एई पीरियड रे से माने कोन हेबे लेखाई जिबे. तो 7th was incomplete, सेति पे इटी लेखाइनी. Okay, and group was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 ही आउ गोटे 9th group जोटा कि खाली थिला 0th group. Clear? Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Group of period बुझिलो?
Yes,
Now.
ma'am.
Okay. what he did, he each group up to 7.
Can you explain that once again?
Periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Column. Okay. Emiti.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 7, mu kali 7 column. 7. Why 7th column is not visible or not written over here? Because 7th column is incomplete. Okay. सेना को तो छाड़ी थिले जोरा को discover हेनी आगु को जदि discover हबो सेठी arrange करा ही परिबो बोली. And see the groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 भी नहीं कहीं 9 को को ग्रुप 0th ग्रुप और द से एमती भाभी की छाड़ी थिले कि एक ग्रुप
Noble guesses.
नोबल गैसेस जोनी कि रिएक्ट ही करिवेनी से माने रही परिबे बोली से छाड़ी थिले. ओके फाइन. नाउ व्हाट ही डिड इन ग्रुप 1 to 7 से नाही कि तांकु डिवाइड करछि ए बी ए बी ए बी ए बी. ए रे रखिछि एमिति सब एलिमेंट्स, दोज वर नॉर्मल एलिमेंट्स. नाउ बी आर ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स. लास्ट टाइम बते बुझैथिली ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स कोन. तमे जबे मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल पढिबा गोटे डी ब्लॉक पढिबा जोटी ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट अछि. नाउ कैन एनीबॉडी से कि जानि छ कि ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट कोन. नो वन. Now, metals or non-metals जानी cho?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who can say me what are metals and what are non-metals? Anyone other than those? Ankita, you can unmute and say, or Pratyush or Vaishali, those who are not participating. Nobody. Metals, non-metals कौन हो? कहाँ को metals कहला है, कहाँ को non-metals? अभी recently search की chapter. Yes, Sovik.
And the elements which are electronegative in nature are called non-metals, and the elements which are electropositive in nature are called metals.
Now, what do you understand by electronegative and electropositive?
Which can give their elements or which cannot give their
And
elements.
which loses their electrons are known as electropositive, which gains electrons electronegative.
Fine. So you have to say the definition of metals and non-metals in losing electrons and gaining electrons. Now, who can say that?
May
Yes.
May I?
the metals are the substances which lose electrons, and non-metals are the substances which do not lose electrons or gain electrons.
Okay. Lose electrons and forms positive ion or negative ion?
Positive ion.
Positive ion.
Okay. Mona achhi to negative?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So metals, empty metals or non-metals. Now, एमिति सब metal अच्छंती, मैंने suppose metals, they go through a transition period, or some elements are there which have little property of metal and some property of non-metal. जो माने कि metal, non-metal भितरे रुहंती, मझिरे रुहंती. जब जब देखिबा modern periodic table, D block मझिरे अछि. Now they are called transition elements. Why? Because they मतलब जमती कि हमको कहा जाए नहीं कि I am changing something to something. Suppose मु 12 years अच्छी, आउ मु 20 years हेबा भितरे गोटे teenage थाए 13, 14, 15. Isn't it? That period is known as transition period. Transition period माने कौन? Metal, non-metal मझिरे ताको कहा जिवो transition elements. So सेही elements जो मन को टिके character थिबो metals रो, टिके character थिबो non-metal रो, or they are known as transition elements. सेमान को chemical properties totally different. तो सेमान को सेमाने से कौन करे B block रे रखी. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the 8th group contain 9 elements. 9 elements, they are arranged in 3 rows. सेमान को भी transitional metal group कुहा गला. अच्छा देखि दबा गोटे थरा एमिति देखो. First period रे इठी गोटे
Ma'am, can you take that annotation bar up, ma'am? It is coming in between the table.
is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So see here, one element a পর্যন্ত one chlorine পর্যন্ত গোটে গোটে রখা হইছি রখিলে সেমানে fourth period রে group 1 a रे potassium अछि b रे copper अछि okay likewise group 2 a रे अछि calcium और b रे अछि zinc a b যদি period को भी सेमती first series second
Ma'am, the
series.
atomic masses are written.
Yeah,
Means
these are the
below
atomic masses. These are the atomic masses. Okay. Now, first series is this: calcium, potassium, scandium, tritium, vanadium, chromium. These all things. Okay. Now, in eighth group, এই তিনটা খালি রখিলে, এইটি কোন কলে তিনটা elements को से रखिले 3 elements each in group 8 and period 4. So like this he arranged the elements. Now who can say me by just seeing this table what can be the drawbacks or which you do not want to agree जो कि तुमको ठीक लागुनी ए पीरियड रे सेमती किछि जिंस देखुछो ठीक से मार्क करो all atomic masses को मार्क करो and atomic masses should be in increasing order. किछि के
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
मार्क कला
ma'am.
कोठी अछि
Ma'am, in cobalt and nickel.
okay fine and anyone else
Ma'am, RH and PD. No, no, ma'am.
anyone else okay what about this one देखा जाउची
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
121 127 126
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is in descending order or not in descending order or increasing order.
fine
And there are some elements which are in decreasing order. That
Before-
is not
before
following.
the limitation okay this was automatically it will be discarded but we will see what were the achievements and what were the drawbacks okay now he was the one Mendeleev he rectified the atomic mass of various elements which were calculated incorrectly initially now एमिति से भाबिला कि जदि एटॉमिक मासेस टा होई पारे कि एटॉमिक सेने कि टेबल रे अरेंज कला परे एमिति देखिले कि एटॉमिक मासेस केते जनकर डिफर करछि माने कमुची पढुची सो व्हाट ही थॉट लेट मी अगेन कैलकुलेट इट एंड ही रेक्टिफाइड एंड से तांकर सेडा भी प्रेडिक्शन ठीक भाला कि एटॉमिक मास आगुरु न्यूलैंड से माने के भाबी नथले कि एटॉमिक मास रे किछ डिफेक्ट थिबो ते पुणी कैलकुलेट कले एंड ही फाउंड आउट दैट एटॉमिक मास ता भूल ही आगुरु इनिशियली भूल ही कैलकुलेट हेतिला दिस वाज द फर्स्ट अचीवमेंट तापरे ही लेफ्ट सम गैप्स इन पीरियोडिक टेबल ओके एंड व्हाट वाज दिस गैप मेंट फॉर a gap
Transistor.
no
And the elements which will be discovered
Yeah.
in future.
yeah very good what he did suppose aluminium okay से भाबिले ता तळे आ गोटे एमिति आसी परिबो which will be same as same properties but not yet discovered. So he named as Eka aluminium. Now what is Eka? Eka means
Yes,
one.
Sanskrit word.
Sanskrit word or Sanskrit word named one. Now what was he predicting actually? से कहले कि एमिति किछि गोटे एलिमेंट थाई पारे एल्युमिनियम परे जोटा अभिजान डिस्कवर हेइनी किंतु आगु को हबो सेते बेले कोन करिवो आकु एका एल्युमिनियम न लिखि कि तार गोटे ना जोड़ा ता सहित सेम होतबो सेटा लिखि दबो. It was his prediction. Now we will see this prediction of Mendeleev came out to be true or not. Okay. Okay. It came out to be true. जोठी एका बोरोन लिखिथिले सेने तीनटा लिखले बोरोन एका बोरोन एल्युमिनियम सिलिकॉन एका सिलिकॉन बोरोन तळे जो एका बोरोन बहुत वर्ष परे से जागा नै गला स्कैंडियम came to be same property, same prediction was made for Eka boron. Now Eka aluminium रे किए जागा नेला gallium. Okay, likewise Eka silicon रो जागा नेला germanium. For example देखो से कहिथिले Eka aluminium माने aluminium तळे. Okay, Eka aluminium रो atomic mass पाखा पाखी 68 आसीबो. जदि से ऑक्सीजन सहित रिएक्ट करिवो तार ऑक्साइड फार्मूला एमिति आसीबो जदि से क्लोरीन सहित रिएक्ट करिवो तार केमिकल फार्मूला एमिति आसीबो. नाउ हु कैन से मी मु वीडियो रो तमे देखिथिबो जदि व्हाई Mendeleev was the one to react the elements with oxygen and chlorine.
And because they are very reactive, they
Yes.
are readily present in the environment,
Yeah,
and they form maximum compounds with the elements.
very good. So therefore he used these two gas or these two elements to react with the other elements. Now likewise when gallium was discovered, okay, its atomic mass was calculated to be 69.7, which was nearly equal to atomic mass of the predicted aluminium, Eka aluminium. जेतेबेले ऑक्सीजन सहित रिएक्ट कला एई फार्मूला पाइला Ga2O3 and जेतेबेले क्लोरीन सहित रिएक्ट कला GaCl3. So this was the a gallium से फिट हे गला कहा जगह नबा पई एका एल्युमिनियम रो जगह नबा पई. Therefore his prediction was after so many years or after some years came out to be true. Clear? Now नोबेल गैसेस पाइका जो जागा छड़ा आइथिला की आगुरु से कथा भाबी नथिले but Mendeleev was the one to think of these elements and they were known as noble gases. And what these noble gases after so many years after being discovered they found their space without disturbing the existing order. जो order थिला ताकू disturb न करी कि तांको पई जो जागा खाली थिला सेई जागा रे से माने अरेंज हेई पारिले. Fine. Any doubt, anyone?
Ma'am, can we say the transition elements are metalloids?
Yeah, you can say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can say. Just a minute. So I think so Mendeleev achievement jai clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll go to the limitation of Mendeleev. Okay. After that, we'll see a video. Now, what again? Mendeleev periodic table was
Ma'am, blood. Now clear, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
I'm
Yes,
somewhat, but not whole clear.
I'm clear.
Subham, you must be having some network issue. Okay, let me
Ma'am, it was clear, but somewhat blur. It was not fully clear.
now.
Clear, but not fully.
Anybody else? Same case with everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Subham, not clear. Shantanu
मैं मत क्लियर दिखाऊची
और अंकिता को और बाकी जो मैंने अच्छा let me share again. Pratyush, Souvik,
I'm not clear. I'm not clear.
not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Santanu is means he's reading the words. Ma'am, if it will be clear, then the bar will not come. I mean, screen say the bar will not come if it is clear.
Now
The
what
bar
happened?
is coming.
Now is it clear?
Oh yes, ma'am. Ma'am, readable.
Fine. Okay. So limitations of first point I'm dekhiba position of isotopes. Now what are isotopes? Isotopes kono?
Ma'am, isotopes are those elements with similar chemical property but different atomic mass.
Different.
तीनटा HHH कौन पाई लिखिली फर्स्ट H रो atomic mass 1 second ro atomic mass 2 third ro atomic mass 3 hydrogen ro तीनटा isotopes so this for these isotopes okay there was no place there was no position ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ ହାଇଡ୍ରୋଜେନ କୁ ରଖିଲି ସେ ହାଇଡ୍ରୋଜେନ 1 ପାଇଁ ଜାଗା ना 2 ପାଇଁ ଜାଗା ନା 3 ରେ ଜାଗା ସେ ହାଇଡ୍ରୋଜେନ ର कोण को पोजीशन को हाइड्रोजन से जगह रे रहिबो इट वाज नॉट क्लियर सेमिति कॉपर 35 कॉपर 37 कार्बन 12 कार्बन 17 sorry कार्बन 14 I'm sorry so the position for isotopes are same atomic number but different mass number or atomic mass से मान को different clear तो
Yes, ma'am.
semanunko painka there was
Ma'am,
no
didn't understand that the hydrogen, ma'am, calcium that.
yeah hydrogen ro tinta isotopes अछि हैला जहारो atomic mass 1 सेटा गोटे हाइड्रोजन ओके atomic mass 2 वाला हाइड्रोजन ड्यूटेरियम 1 होची प्रोटोनियम 3 होची टर्शियम फाइन बट द ए जो मेंडलीव रो पीरियोडिक टेबल रे खाली H ही अछि हाइड्रोजन अछि but that hydrogen will meant to which hydrogen it is not clear काहे atomic mass ऊपर डिपेंड हेछि ना are you understanding
Yes, ma'am.
the concept are you getting the concept
Ma'am, how many isotopes are there of which element that we will study or higher classes?
no it is yes you will study in the higher classes but commonly hydrogen ro tinta achi तमरो क्लोरीन रो दीटा अछि 35 37 कार्बन रो दीटा अछि 12 14 सेमती ऑक्सीजन रो 16 18 सेमती सेरा कॉमन त पढिले जानिबो पढु but these are the common elements which have isotopes now the position of these isotopes are not clear in Mendeleev's periodic table this was the one of the limitation understood everyone
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
एते धीरे कहउचो yes miss बोर लागिलानी
Yes, ma'am.
बोर लागिलानी yes ma'am okay
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
fine now another the second one is placing of heavier element before the lighter one this is the example which I wanted to show you okay certain elements जो माने कि they have higher जेमति कि cobalt और nickel cobalt atomic mass केते 58.9 nickel रो 58.6 किंतु cobalt टा आगे रहि जायछि किंतु nickel टा ता परे रहिछि okay let me see if it is there in your देखा जाउची कि नाही?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके सेमिति आ गोटे एग्जांपल निजे बाहर करो.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
TE and I.
Yeah, tertium and iodine. Okay, fine. So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
okay, so
Ma'am, can't be they exchange the places?
yeah, what I didn't
Can't they? No, ma'am. Can't they exchange the places? Means tertium will replace iodine and iodine will replace tertium.
ମାନେ ତମେ ଯଦି ମେଣ୍ଡେଲିଭ ବଳକୁ ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତ ତମେ କଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତ ଆୟୋଡିନ କୁ ଏଠକୁ ନେଇ ଆସିଥାନ୍ତ ଏଟାକୁ ଏଠକୁ ନେଇ ଆସିଥାନ୍ତ ବଟ୍
Yes, ma'am.
ସେ ତ ସେମିତି ହିଁ ଆରେଞ୍ଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା କି ଯୋଉମାନେ 6 ଗ୍ରୁପ ରେ ରହିବେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ସେମ୍ ହବ ଯୋଉମାନେ 7 ଗ୍ରୁପ ରେ ରହିବେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ସେମ୍ ହବ ତ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଏକ୍ସଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେବି ତ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଖରାପ
Another drawback.
ଆଉ
ma'am,
କରିଦେବି ମୁଁ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ତ ଏଟା ହେଇପାରିବନି ନା କ୍ଲିୟର
Yes,
ଶୁଭମ
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ତମକୁ ସେ ଟାଇମ ରେ ଆମେ ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲେ ଆମ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ରେ ବି ଏମିତି ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ପୁଣି ଆମ ନାଁରେ ଗୋଟେ ବାହାରିଥାନ୍ତା ସସ୍ମିତା's periodic table or Shubham's modern periodic table anything but ସେଟା ହେଲାନି fine so this was the another drawback what that certain elements of higher atomic mass they preceded those with lower atomic mass argon तो discover ହେଇ ନଥିଲା ଯେବେ argon discover ହେଲା argon ରହିଗଲା calcium sorry potassium आगे रे किंतु तार एटॉमिक मास देखला बेलकू आर्गन रो 39.9 किंतु पोटेशियम रो 39.09 जोटा कि अगेन वायलेटिंग द law of Mendeleev's periodic table periodic law
Ma'am, they should have checked twice the atomic masses. Means recheck.
सही तो सेमती हेतले तो समस्त 100 on 100 पाते रीचेक कॉलेज सिली मिस्टेक्स बहुत करछो ना
मैम हमको एटा इजी लागुची बट मैम एते थिंकिंग करिया मींस एते डिस्कवर करिया बहुत हार्ड कारण हम तो माने जदी एटा डिस्कवर न था हमें अभी से भाबी
theory
भी
we are studying yeah the theory we are studying but fine there's always there are limitations to everything we do fine the position of hydrogen जोटा कि अभी जाए भी the position hydrogen रा position कोठी हमें अभी जाए भी it is not clear ता अभी जाए भी ता ऊपर रिसर्च चलची कि हाइड्रोजन एक्चुअली कोठी रहइबो हाइड्रोजन रो अभी का करेक्ट पोजीशन जो मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल देखुछ ना लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे that is not the correct position why I am saying you because it resembles with both alkali metals and with both halogens तमे तो पीरियोडिक टेबल रा फर्स्ट में अछि ना हाइड्रोजन सोडियम alkali method alkali metals ऊपर रही छी नाउ हाइड्रोजन alkali metals रा प्रॉपर्टी सहित भी resemble करछि राइट हैंड साइड रो हालोजेन जोटा कि क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन आयोडीन सेमानक सहित भी रिजेंबल करछि ना हाइड्रोजन को मु कोठे रखिबी ग्रुप 1 रे रखिबी ना ग्रुप 7 रे रखिबी it was till now also it is not clear okay because it resemble it combines both with halogens and it is like alkali metals and it is also like halogen alkali metals bhabe tara kona property it combines with halogens oxygen and sulfur to form compounds जेमति कि NaCl सहित मिसले NaCl HbCl सहित मिसले HCl O सहित मिसले H2O सेमति sodium is one example of alkali metal okay
Ma'am, they should have made another column 10th column 10th column which will tell the which will represent like hydrogen metals properties which will represent those kind of properties.
हाइड्रोजन रो एटॉमिक नंबर और एटॉमिक मास भाबे अभी हाइड्रोजन ही अछि
Ma'am, then element will come in future also, no?
In future but that से जदी मु 10th ग्रुप को नै जिबी तो हाइड्रोजन रो जेतु अल्कली मेटल्स तो अछि सेम सिमिलर कि हालोजन सहित अछि सेटा तो पूरा डिस्टर्ब होई जिवो आउ हाइड्रोजन 1 मु ताको तले फर्स्ट रे की रहइबो हाइड्रोजन एटॉमिक नंबर 1 तो मु 2 रु स्टार्ट करबी हीलियम रू स्टार्ट करबी तमे कहउछ
No, ma'am.
when you will study the modern periodic table you will see it because number of shell number of the valence electrons seta bhi to matter करे ना okay
Yes,
that
ma'am.
no semaniko mind re ase semane korthante, that is other thing. So like alkali metals, it react with chlorine, bromine, empty respective chloride form करे, oxide form करे, sulfide form करे, and like halogen, it is diatomic in nature, and it reacts with metals and with non-metals to form covalent compound. So therefore, position of hydrogen is not correct, or it is the sign of position of hydrogen is not correct in case of Mendeleev's periodic table. I hope everyone is clear till now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, Pratyush? Today Jasmine is absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Who all are absent today? Vaishali is present. Okay. Ankita is present. Many students are absent today. Fine. Pratyush, can you say me what a law of octave thila? Taku kiye discover karthile? Name the scientist.
Ma'am, which law?
Law of octaves. Don't know?
Ma'am, can I say?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Dominant Newlands, Maldives,
Law of octave, not Doberman to triad karthile na. Law of octave.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Antanu.
Ma'am, John Newland.
Very good. What was according to the Mendeleev? Sovik, what was Mendeleev periodic law says? Sovik will explain us. Sovik is there or not? Vaishali, will you unmute and say?
Ma'am, can I
Fine.
say?
Yes, Ankita.
The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic number.
Atomic number?
No, atomic mass.
Atomic mass.
Mass.
Fine. What were the three drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table? अभी हमें डिस्कस कर लो पड़ा Mendeleev periodic table or three drawbacks.
May
May I?
Yes, Sovik will say. Tassila. Sovik.
He was unable to locate hydrogen. The increased atomic mass was not regular while moving from one element to another.
And
Another one.
and our Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say?
Position of isotopes.
Yeah, position of isotopes. Very good. Okay. After this, we'll go to the Abhika, very important modern periodic table. And last class who was the one? Henry Moseley. He was the one.
Ma'am, take the bar up.
Yes, I have already taken the bar up. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Henry Moseley. Now, what is that modern periodic law? Say कहले कि the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Mark this word. अभी जाए समझते कौन कोई आस्तुले? The physical and chemical properties, they are the periodic function. Mendeleev कौन कहते? Periodic function.
Atomic masses.
Atomic mass.
Atomic mass.
Atomic masses, but he said it is the periodic function of their atomic number. Now, because he was the one to think कि अभी तो ठीक है ना, काहेंकि why there are some drawbacks of in Mendeleev. In atomic masses जो isotopes ର ଜାଗା ହେଇ ପାରୁନଥିଲା କି atomic masses ଏପଟ ସେପଟ ହେଇ ଯାଉଥିଲା. No, atomic masses they are not independent. But atomic mass कौन? Atomic mass ଆମେ କାହାକୁ କହିବା? Nucleus ର mass, proton plus neutrons.
Neutron.
Fine. But he was the one to say no, not mass, but atomic number. Because atomic number, jodi mu koibi gote chlorine ro atomic number will always be same. So differ hoboni kebe. Clear? Kintu atomic mass change hei pare with respect to the what? Jodi mu electron gain korchi ki kon korchi ki moro size बढ़ुची कि कमुची, मो size on size ऊपर atomic mass depend करे. Mass will be concentrated at the center. So he এটা মু আউথরে বলছে বুঝিবা আমি কি atomic only you remember that modern periodic law states that it is the periodic function of atomic number, not atomic mass. Clear? Now on basis of this he again created a periodic table with the help of three scientists, Werner, Bohr and Bury. ए तीन जनଙ୍କର କିଛି ଗୋଟେ theory थिला, से theory को derive करिकी modern periodic table बनिला और long form of periodic table बनिला जोठी की 18 vertical columns थिला आउ 7 horizontal rows. Okay, we'll see a video, then after that MCQs are there. Let's just see a video now. Okay, video we'll see in the next class. We'll just attempt a MCQs of 5 questions and everybody should get 5 on 5. Yes, anyone? Santanu?
Ma'am, the scientist Bohr give that to n square, na?
Yes. The say jo कहला कि number of shell
Electrons move around.
Electrons कितने ये थे. Okay, ready? I'll just give you 1 minute to submit your answers. 5 questions, both easy. Okay.
Ma'am, will send you in the chat.
Yes.
Ma'am, blur.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, blur.
Ma'am, actually the bar will not come if it is full clear.
Which bar? I'm not able to see any bar.
Ma'am, you are not able to see, but we are
Yes,
able to
ma'am,
see
there is
the
a black
correction bar. The zoom screen share bar, we are able to see yours.
Is
Now
it
also blur.
blur?
Completely blur. Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, close that Word document, then open again.
Ma'am, you can send the document in WhatsApp group.
Just a minute. Only 5 questions are there. I wanted you to just see and give the answer. Is it clear now?
Yeah, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sending you in the WhatsApp group. check your group, everyone, and within 2 minutes, just send me the answers. Everyone in my chat, okay? Very easy questions. 5 star, 5 out of 5. Everybody
Yes, ma'am.
send. Got the answers from Santanu. First, Ankita, Ishana, Santanu, okay, got. Okay, Ishana, got it from Ishana also. Ankita, Sovik, Pratyush, and other students who are there for the first time.
Ma'am, sent.
Yes, Subham. Sovik, Pratyush.
Ma'am, sent.
Yes, Ankita, got it. Waiting for other students. Sovik, Pratyush, Jayashri.
I'm typing.
Okay. Pratyush, are you there? Pratyush? Fine, I'll not wait anymore. So, Santanu, Ishana, Ankita, they have got 5 on 5. Tanku Chadiki, Sovik got 4 out of 5 and Subham got 2 out of 5. Subham, what was the problem?
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Okay, I have not said the answer. Okay, Pratyush. Ishana, Santanu, very good.
Ma'am,
Ankita,
who got 5 on 5?
Ankita, Ishana, Santanu. Pratyush,
Oh.
you just answered 4 question. What about the 5th one? Don't know?
Ma'am, not seen.
Okay, fine. Pratyush also got 4 on 5. Answer is BBDAC. Hela? Dekhi rabo. BBDAC. Ankita, Ishana, and Santanu, they got full mark. Sovik and Pratyush got 4. And Subham, I don't know what was wrong with you. Fine. Very good. Try to get the full mark next time.
Ma'am, my marks.
You got 2. Last data he trick.
No.
No? Yes.
Not possible.
Okay, any doubt, anybody? You can just text me or ask me. We'll be having our next class and we'll try to finish this chapter.